Hi, I'm Wayne Blanchard. I'm a certified financial planner and a member of the Garrett Planning Network. Today we're going to talk about the accounting treatment of bad debt expense. Now think about that. Bad debt expense, that sort of tells you something. Now the accounting treatment though, this is a very misunderstood kind of a subject. When you have a loan from somebody, let's say that it's a credit card with a store. So you have a credit card with this store and you have a $1,000 balance on this credit card. Well, you bought $1,000 worth of stuff through this store and you owe them $1,000. So think about it from their side. It is showing as an asset on their books. In other words, because you owe them $1,000, that's something that they're going to receive. They're showing it in their receivables. And they're showing as what they call a current asset. On your books, if you did books, you would see it as a debt. And therefore, it's something that you owe. Okay, now let's say that you run into hard times and you can't pay. Now, how long can that store keep showing that as an asset? They're showing it as somebody's going to pay them $1,000, but you know that you can't pay them and that you're not going to pay them. How does that handled? Well, to prevent companies from carrying these assets on their books just forever and ever and ever, the government says, or the tax code says, you can only carry them so long. And once you know that they're uncollectible, you have to charge them off of your books. Now, there's a term you've heard before, I'm sure. Charge-offs. That's when it vanishes off of your credit, and it looks like it doesn't vanish off your credit, excuse me. It's when they have to write that off of their books and say that is a total loss. So what they have to do at that point is they take it off their books, and they may still collect it. It doesn't mean that the debt has gone away. It just means that they can no longer currently hold it on their books as an asset. It doesn't mean that you are forgiven. It doesn't mean that the debt has vanished. It doesn't mean that they can't continue to collect. It simply means that they are not holding it as a current asset on their books.